So what is corruption? The use of public authority or power for private gain is known as corruption. So forms of corruption: monetary material gain के लिए any kind of favoritism, nepotism और crony capitalism. So types of corruption दो टाइप के होता है, एक तो होता है coercive corruption, एक collusive corruption. Coercive corruption, it is one when the bribe is paid against the wish of the people. Coercive means paid against the, when a bribe is paid against the wish of the people. In other words, public functionaries forcing people to pay the bribe to get the particular thing done. Collusive corruption or collaborative corruption. In this case, collaboration between the giver and the briber takes place. So there is a collaboration between the giver and takes place. Bribe is given to influence the decision making and is to drive the benefits against the rules and procedure. So bribe is given to influence the decision making and to drive the benefits against the rules and procedure. For example, crony capitalism is a collusive or collaborative corruption. The coercive and collusive and collaborative corruption. So crony capitalism is quid pro quo, that is reciprocity. So for example, corporate class political funding करती है, political administrative class benefit देती है corporate class को. Banana republics, that is corporates are running the government indirectly. So different attitude towards corruption. The corruption act like a grease which helps in the smooth functioning of complex administrative machinery. Discuss the statement giving your viewpoint. There is a common description among the public functionaries, both practical administrative class, that corruption is low risk and high reward affair. Examine the statement giving your risk, and corruption is seen as a low risk and high reward affair. So weak accountability, conviction rate is very low to deter the public official. Conviction rate is very low to deter the public official. So most of the time it is found that people can influence the outcome of investigation. So investigation is biased and it is non-impartial. Laws are weak. There is a poor implementation of law. That's why India is called soft state. The Supreme Court High Court works on the basis of investigation by police. So Supreme Court High Court works on the investigation done by the police, and investigation is biased and not partial, because rich people can influence the outcome of investigation. Accountability institutions, CCB, Lolpal and CBI are not independent. Accountability institutions are not independent. Supreme Court and High Court depends on the works on the basis of investigation done by the police, and accountability institutions are not independent. So what are the causes of corruption? Value system, administrative structure functioning, weak accountability. Value system, need and greed issue. That is material. For example, material is materialistic way of living. So this is one of the reason of corruption. The value system, need and greed issue. So materialistic way of living. So it's a reason for corruption. Attitude of common man, public servant. Administrative structure function, complex rules and administration, lack of transparency, delay in the public service delivery. There is a activism, weak accountability, weak deterrence. Laws are weak and poor implementation, and investigation of accounts are not independent. For example, these Supreme Court, High Court depend on the investigation done by the police. Lokpal and CBC are not completely independent. Historic response, there was a Nazrana, the part of the tribute in the front of the king. Shukrana, thanksgiving, and Jabrana, exploitation. There is exoration. Jabrana means extortion होता था. So Transparency International looks into cases. So India slipped 6 places in 86 in Transparency International Corruption Perception Index 2020. So India ranked 86 out of 180 countries in the Corruption Perception Index in 2020. 86 out of 180 nation with a score of 40. 2019 में 80th rank थी, now it's 86. India slipped 6 places in 2020. So Charles Caleb Cotton. इन्होंने बोला था corruption is like a snow of the wall. Once is set a rolling, it must increase. The corruption like a wall of snow. Once is set a rolling, it must increase. Charles Caleb Cotton. So what need to do done? Socialization, government, good governance, transparency, social audit, citizen charter should be implemented, e-governance, then whistleblowing. इनको तो प्रोसेस को ट्रांसपेरेंस बनाना है एंड प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करनी है विसल ब्लोअर्स को. स्ट्रेंथनिंग अकाउंटेबिलिटी इंस्टीट्यूशन, दैट इज आरटीआई एंड सोशल ऑडिट. स्ट्रेंथनिंग अकाउंटेबिलिटी इंस्टीट्यूशन, फॉर एग्जांपल आरटीआई एंड सोशल ऑडिट. So Charles Caleb Cotton, corruption like a ball of snow. Once it's set a rolling, it must increase.